Hello, my name is Laura Robles Ospino. Stage 4. Your experience. Experience. 1. Did you spend most money on your early streets? What is for amount? Imagines the Minka family experience. 2. What were his most visited place or tourist attraction in your city? Imagine the form Sierra Minca. Imagine the Taganga. Imagine the Don Diego River. Imagine the Stenda Hotels. Experience 3. What place had you missed visit on your trip? Oh, imagine the Sierra Minca. Mine Taganga. World beautiful. 4. What stimulates incredible activity you did on your trip? What did you did? For river beautiful. Experience 5. Had you ever worked in tourism? What is the experience like? Experiencia beautiful. Imagen de Casa Tayrona, Los Naranjos, Tayrona Park, Casa Tayrona, imagen 4. Thank you very much.